That's a big bird.
Hi, ACHY Dad here. I'm going to just show you the 3 different lenses on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've had an iPhone 11 forever, not a Pro, with the 2 lenses. And I went big this time and got the 3 lenses. This is a great blue heron in Vermont. And I'm going to show you the 3 lenses coming up to it on a kayak with my son in the beginning, and then I'll finish up the slow part where we wait for it to fly away on the end. And in the middle, we'll go over some zooming in on wildlife while we're on the kayak trip from 0.5 to 1 to 2.5, all using the 3 lenses. No pinch zoom, which we know is digital, and you might as well do it in cropping later. So far, love the camera with 5G. I think I can skip the 13 probably and use the 12 for a long time. Battery life is great, and the 12 Pro Max has a slightly different chipset. I think there's a 2.5 instead of a 2. But let's get into it. All right, we headed out in southern Vermont on the Retreat Meadows in a rented kayak, a 16-foot Old Town Loon. That's the wide angle. This is what it does sometimes with people. It's just awesome. So here we are. Look in the middle there. And then we're going to zoom in the middle there. There's some wildlife, but if you look really closely in the middle there, there's a goose on the left center. Goose. All right, a commercial break for renting kayaks over buying them. Yes, even in the rain, we rent kayaks and we take the family out, but not many times a year, 3 or 4, and the numbers come out ahead if we rent. Now, if we go a little more, I might buy used, because kayaks used are really, really good deals and not that much different if you clean them up from a new one. Those are bagels and lox on the water, smoked salmon, a cafe, bagels on the water, an idea. Let's see. Back to the 3 lens test. All right, we're way back, but look in the center. There's 2 gooses. There they are. I think 2 gooses is a geese. And there they are. Now, whenever I use the 2.5, it's a little not as clear as I thought, but it is using the glass, and I can't expect a lens that small to really get clear that far in without some actual glass, like a big long zoom lens you see for wildlife photography. All right, so here we are. There's a great blue heron in the center, and we're working closer in the center, but we kind of slowly scared it away to a new place. This place. And I'll just let this video play, and then we will end.
That's a big bird. Is it a great blue heron, you think? It's so tall. All right, keep paddling. Keep going.
I'm going to try to get the bow aligned with her.
Now, when she goes, her wings are going to be so big. Almost lost my paddle. Here she goes. Whoop. Up. Oh my God.